applicant went to High Court. And my lord, my order dated, it is part of the member. Honorable High Court disposed of the writ by order dated 28/7/2025. And in para 6 matter.
Within 1 month.
1 month, within 1 month. Now what has happened, my lord? Since there was that we will not proceed for recruitment, taking the benefit, he is filing, he is abiding. His contempt all we are facing other. So now, and my lord, there are 1.4 crores applicants. We have to conduct the exam. More than 300 crores are involved for conducting. So my lord, once the issue is decided, there is a specific direction. I am just seeking one indulgence of your lordship. Fix the time. Here it readings are coming.
Who is the other side?
He will not come for the reasons it was served at home. Because my lord, today I will not. He is going you to yes, that is not. So my lord, now he has filed an application seeking imprisonment.
Where is the application imprisonment?
It was my lord 3709.
लिस्ट हुई है हमने नोटिस
नहीं हुई थी नोटिस हुई है my lord
आइटम
मेरी it must be my lord yes he is online either way because my lord the railway
what is this MA
वापस जा रहे हैं
My lords, I am in item 33, my lords. The MA has been filed by the respondent, my lords, and I have no objection, my lords. I am ready. Even my lords may take any date, my lords.
Also for the applicant says he has no objection for final disposal of the matter. Also in terms of the order passed by the Honorable
High Court for the final disposal, my lord.
The date is not too far, that is 30th. We make it clear that the matter will be heard. No further adjournment shall be granted. List in first 5 matters.
I'm getting
The MA is disposed of order. Madam, don't just be passed over the matter. Don't worry. Madam, choice is yours. Show them the records. We'll see, madam. Wait. The council is not there.
item 34